Here we'll look at absolute value of a number. In this example, it just says to evaluate the following. Remember that evaluate means give the answer, find out what the simplest form is. So these vertical bars, these marks on either side of the number, those indicate absolute value. That's how we read this. So how we would read this is the absolute value of 9 equals, and the absolute value of -6 equals. So the absolute value really just means the true amount. It disregards the sign. Disregarding the sign makes them always positive. So the answer to an absolute value, a simple absolute value of a number problem like this, is always just the positive amount. It represents how far away from 0 it is. So in this case, we know how to plot 9 on the number line. How far away is it? What's the distance right here? That distance is 9, isn't it? So the absolute value of 9 is just 9. And then here, in this example, the absolute value of -6, we know how to plot that, and we ask ourselves, what's this distance? Well, that distance is 6. Even though it's -6 direction, the distance is 6. So therefore, the absolute value of -6 is 6. The answer to an absolute value is always positive. Here's another quick example. Evaluate this, the absolute value of -11 and the absolute value of 5. Well, once again, we know that -11 is 11 units away from 0. So the answer is just 11. The absolute value of 5 is 5 units away from 0. So the absolute value of 5 is 5.